Join me in this video to learn how to make a line rainbow using a variety of different kinds of lines. The materials you'll need are a pencil and eraser, a white piece of paper, a Sharpie or black marker, and whatever you want to color with. The elements of art that we will use to create our rainbow are lines, using a variety of different kinds of lines, color, in particular, the colors of the rainbow, otherwise known as the acronym ROY G BIV. Your I Can statement today is I can draw and identify 7 colors of the rainbow. So let's talk a little bit about what makes a rainbow. There are 7 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, another word for purple. The acronym ROY G BIV is a handy reminder for the color sequence that makes up the rainbow. In the rainbow, purple is subdivided into purple and a more bluish purple. So, who made that decision and why? The short answer is famous mathematician and philosopher Isaac Newton and ancient Greek philosophy. So you might be asking yourself, so where does Sir Isaac come into this? In the 17th century, he was the one who realized that when we break white light apart using a prism, or raindrops, we get the visual spectrum of colored light, otherwise known as the rainbow. 7 was also thought to be a lucky number according to the ancient Greek philosopher, and therefore 7 colors in the rainbow was determined. In reference to 7 being a lucky number, let's think of some other things that have 7 attributes. 7 colors make a rainbow, 7 chords make a music, 7 days make a week, 7 continents make a world, and 7 very beautiful letters make us friends. We are going to begin with our pencil and our paper landscape style, so side to side. We're going to start with 2 clouds and then begin our rainbow. So we want to start with curved or cloud-like lines that go around, starting at the bottom left-hand side. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. We want our rainbow to be big, so we're going to draw our big curved line that goes all the way to the top of our paper, touching the cloud, and then all the way to the right-hand side, touching that other cloud. Once we finish that, we are going to practice some of the other lines we've learned so far this year. I'm going to continue that curved or cloud-like line all around. Take your time. And again, if you want to experiment with other kinds of lines, you don't have to copy me exactly. I'm just helping you review some of the lines we've learned so far. Next, I'm going to work on our curly lines. So these are our curly looped lines. Remember, you go forwards and then backwards, kind of like someone's chasing that pencil. Next, I'm going to practice my broken line or dotted line. I'm going to draw short little lines that do not touch for my broken lines, but maybe you want to create a broken dotted line with little circles. You can do that as well. Next, I'm going to practice my zigzag line, which I often think of as big dragon teeth or shark fins or maybe mountains. What do you think about when you think about zigzags? I love this kind of line. Next, I'm going to practice what I consider to be one of the hardest lines. It's our castle line. So you're going to draw a line across that goes up and across and back down, repeating that process all the way around. This one takes a little bit more hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills, so take your time. And next, our super fun wavy line. And lastly, I'm going to do one more big curve line just like at the top on the bottom. And now I have all of the lines I want for my rainbow. I need 8 lines total, so I have room to color in my 7 colors of the rainbow. Before we begin, we are going to trace our lines with our black marker or Sharpie if you have one. If not, feel free to skip this step. After we've traced all of our lines, we are going to begin the colors of our rainbow, starting with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and then last violet or purple. So the very first one is red. So grab your red crayon or marker or colored pencil and color in your first area on the top of the rainbow. Nice craftsmanship, color inside the lines. Our next color is orange, so grab your orange crayon. Next we have yellow. Grab your yellow crayon and continue coloring your rainbow. Who knows what color's next? Green! We need our green color for the next part of our rainbow. We're more than halfway there. We need blue. Grab your blue crayon or marker and begin to color this part of your rainbow. Next is indigo, which is a darker blue, almost purple. So go ahead and use your indigo colored crayon and begin to color. And last but certainly not least is violet, commonly known as purple. Go ahead and color your last part of your beautiful rainbow with your purple crayon. Well done, my most amazing artists. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing